Right, just a quick one here, guys. This is Joseph Lucas, Prince of Darkness's electro-ignition for one of these cars. Now, I think I'm going to use it. I think, why not? I mean, if it works, it's electronic. It has to have this stupid box here, which you're going to laugh, because this isn't the right box. God, why do I make these mistakes? Okay, hang on. Maybe it is the right box. Hold on. No, it's the right box. That's good. Alright, guys. Okay, so yeah, it is the right box. It'll do it. Look. 15 quid. 15 quid. Alright, sounds like Bob Dylan. So I'm going to go with that distributor if I can. And if that electronic edition works, I'll use it. If I don't, I won't. But I think it'll work. If not, I think there's another one over there. I think I've got a couple more in stock, so I'm going to get one to work. And that box at 15 quid must be alright. So maybe, as long as the optical sensor still works, that's it. I'm going to have to time it back up again because I lost the timing marks. I turned the engine over, as you guys can see. Look, so, see this? We're out. We're well out. We're not on number one. So I'm going to time it back up before I try and insert the distributor. But I need to clean the distributor. So there you go again, back with a degreasing and all that crap. You just don't understand how hard this is. You've no idea, guys. I've got to clean that. I've got to clean the bloody distributor, and I've still got to fit it, and I've still got to see whether it's going to work. But we will. So, oh, and this is the wrong one because we haven't got the bolt. We haven't got the secondary bolt for the coil fixing, so that's coming off as well. So, right, guys. I know whether you're interested. If you're not interested, don't bloody watch. But my mission is T.D.C and the Beastie Girls. Top secret. I want to get on top of the antenna. Make sure the valves are open. Make sure the cams are open. So number one is timed up. Right? So number one. Now number one's that the exhaust valve's open, which means that is so far around. That's pretty bad. Right, stop. Stop. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Right. So, we are about 180 degrees out, I get the feeling, based on what I'm seeing here. Now, I don't know if you can see it. I wish you could, because it would be lovely. Exhaust valve is down. Inlet valve's just coming up. Timing marks are there. So, I'm going to put you like that. And I don't know whether you can see, whether you might be able to see. Let's see whether you see. Can you see what I can see? I don't know. Let's have a look. Get that down there. Right, okay, so I'm going to try and wind the engine over a little bit. I don't know which way it's going to go at the minute. Oh, good, it's coming up, that's it. Oh, it's going the right bloody direction, but not the right direction with our piston. We're coming up. We must be coming up. We must be coming up. Are we coming up or not? God, we're after. We're miles after. Well, we know we're close. We're not even close, guys. It's full 180 degrees. Right. Okay, we'll try again. You tell me what you think. If you can see what's happening. Is it going anywhere, or has the crank broke and the piston's not going anywhere? I don't know. I couldn't know. Do you know what? I wish I didn't move it. I did. So. Right. So number 6, or number 1 is going down. Right. So number 1's going down on the induction stroke. Right. So number 1's going down induction. So I'll bet you those marks don't come back up. We'll see. We're going to see. Listen, I need a laugh. I ain't had a laugh forever. So if they do, they do. They don't. They don't. Right. I'm going down. I'm so far down. It's scary. Inlet is opening. Guys, who would mess with bloody cars? I wish I'd be a computer genius. or maybe got a degree. I got a degree. I've been Stephen Hawkins, mate. I'll tell you. Compared to the people I've met that got bloody degrees. So we'll see. Right, we're nowhere near, are we? Are you not noticing that? We're not even close. We're not coming back round. We haven't got down. We're still down. We're still down. We haven't even got round to coming back up. God. Remember, it's 6 cylinders, you see, so we've got the fire door to deal with, which we could be still far out when we get, even when I get it round where I think I'm going to be, I could be still out. I think I'm really getting out, to be honest. Well, I'm down on number 1, so I'm quite worried. Number 1 doesn't seem to be coming back up, you know. It'll come back up soon. I think I'm going to think that something's wrong. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm actually recording as we speak. I'm trying to get the engine onto number 1. Now, coming up. Number 1's coming up. Right, so, number 1, inlet. We're coming up. Number 1 cylinder. Oh, there's time marks. Come around. Tell me. There's a damn coming this time. I don't know. I'm going to pack it in by a pickup. I'm not even on top of the centre yet. I need to boot that around here. Is my bottle of drink. Oh, come on, come on. You're not even up on the top yet, are you? Bastard. It's still before. I'm going to put the distributor when I've done this, so hence the reason why this is crucial. We're going to put the distributor in. Oh, God. 40 degrees before top of 7. We know that's right, so we need to get bang on, don't we? We're doing 4 degrees before. Or... 4 degrees before. Right, there you go, guys. That's it. Both, look, both exhaust inlet are open on T.D.C. Crank marks will be exactly slightly too far around, but that's not my fault. That's whoever timed it out the first time. So, stop you there. Say, distributor's going in next. Talk to you soon, mate. Bye. Okay, guys, just a really quick one here, look. Okay, so I put it in, and I assumed, can you see that there? That screw down there, you can't see it, on the distributor cap, like its mate, would undo. Right? Can you see what's happened to it? Look at it. Look at it. You can't get that out. So, guess what? Distributor's come back out. Not a chance in hell. So the distributor's got to come back out. You know what? You couldn't make this crap up, could you? You guys are so lucky you haven't got to deal with this crap. Oh, and another problem. If I don't change that head now, I can't put the other rock covers on this block, because this head isn't right for this block. But this has got the extended cam bearings, so I can't use the rubber cups without changing these 2 last cam bearing shafts. And I can do that, but I don't know what I want to. I ought to, but I don't want to. Does that make sense? Because this head isn't the right one. But when I put the right one on, they'll have to have those smooth covers. So, this is because this is the original engine block. The original engine block is the original one to the car, which is what we've done. I built the original engine block, but the head that was on it was not the right head. So it's a bit of a mishmash of an engine. The engine that's in the logbook is the head, and the original engine is in the car. So it just shows how stupid people are, doesn't it? But the head I've got to take off the original engine, which I've done, which you saw me do, and it's going to go onto this engine. So, and then I can put the ribbed cam covers back in it. Yeah. You just couldn't make it up, could you? It's just like, you know, take 2 steps forward, 10 back. Oh, only thing I have found, which might be an issue, but I don't know what it will be. I found a lovely offset hose. Look at that. Now, I don't know whether that's any good. It doesn't look that perished, but it's got reinforcers for it. But I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to try the water pump rather than cut it. So I'm going to put the water pump on before I try and cut it and see whether it'll line up. If it lines up and I can use that hose, then I can use the extension from that hose down to the bottom of the rad. The rad's sitting over there to hold the water, so I'm happy with the rad. That'll just save me a few quid. Not a lot, but a few quid. So, looks like we're going to have, for the minute, smooth rock covers. Until we get a little bit further on. There's too many jobs, mate. It's like, it's easy as people say, yeah, but no, it's too much. It's too much to do in a short space of time. I'm not doing a 15-year restoration, mate. I'm doing a few months, and I just want to get the bloody thing to drive. And it ain't too far away once I get a fuel system and fuel pipes. Get my fuel tank out. I'm going to clean the fuel tank in a minute, and that can go back in. Right, I've got to grind those welds off first, but it'll go back in. That's it. So, talk to you soon, guys. Like and subscribe and all that old bollocks. And if you don't bother, because am I going to miss you? Probably not. Talk to you soon. Bye.